Hello everyone. In this video we're going to go ahead and discuss a face cradle that works with any bed. So if you don't have a massage table, it's okay. You can work with this headrest. So as you can see in the video, all I'm doing is applying a contact hold or applying pressure. And so when you apply pressure, it's gentle to firm, then to heavy pressure. So as you can see, I lay my hands on the client's body first, then I apply a little bit of leaning pressure towards her, and then I really lay my body weight down, as that's going to be deep pressure. But you want to start off light, then firm, then heavy. Or for all of you guys who play video games or old school, Street Fighter 2, use your light punch. You can use your medium punch. And then you use your fierce punch. So those are those levels of pressure. So how the game, you're playing that game, you know when to hit the light punch, the medium punch, and the fierce punch. Or low kick, medium kick, and high kick. So now I'm just using thumb pressure. You're just using circles to work those rhomboid muscles. Oh yeah. Get right in there. In between the scapular blades. Oh yeah, the medial side of the blades. It feels good, so take your time, because remember, it's a bony landmark. That little chicken wing that pops out of our scapula or backside is called the scapula. And I'm also using thumb pressures on the shoulders or her trapezius muscles, supraspinatus. And this cradle is also good to where you can stand, and you can also give a nice scalp massage, which I'm doing right now. Just rubbing her skull, the back of it, the occipital ridge. That's what it's called back there, those pressure points that release all types of goodness. That's where we get all our headaches from a hard day's work. And you just relax her, you just get right in there, nice and slow, gentle to deep. However she likes it. Again, check in with your client or your girlfriend, boyfriend, side piece, bun, now later, Twizzler, Reese's Pieces, whatever you call your girl these days. And make sure it's okay with her. And we're watching our placement of our bodies. Don't have your thing poking against her head and moving around, making suggestive, movements. Just stand in front. If your back starts to hurt, just move to the side. Or you can stand straight up like I'm doing and just grab your palming the head. Up and down, slow strokes, circles, diagonal, any which way. She loves it. Just dig all in there. Release all that stress. The way you know you're releasing the stress, and you can watch your client's body, just look at her movements. She barely moves. She just sits there and goes into la la land. Do you see her legs twitching, feet moving? Nope. If they're like just sitting there, then you're doing a great job. So yes, look at that, just circles. And if you guys were wondering, we're talking about crazy boyfriends and girlfriends. If you're moving with somebody and you're going through something, trust me, you are not alone. Everybody's going through something. Even if you're a billionaire, you still got billionaire problems. More money, more problems. Biggie Smalls. So, he said in a song years ago when I was in middle school, and that is so true. But we're laughing and giggling, so that's why I'm using arm movements, and you see her back like giggling sometimes, or we're just laughing about today's man, how crazy we are and how stupid and childish we can be. And I'm working down the back all the way to the lower back, to where the top of the butt, which is your sacral area. Release a lot of tension in that area. And it's just circles. Look, this is easy pressure. Circles like a clock, clockwise, counterclockwise. Nothing is hard when it comes to taking care of your woman. It's actually easy. You just have to put the effort and the time in and listen to her. the 4 main words that will help you greatly in your life, and this is for all men. Hopefully you're paying attention. The 4 main words are listen to the woman. If you do those magical things, your life will be easy. So here I am, just one palm in it. I have my other hand on top of the or upper chest, or excuse me, upper back thoracic area. She's on the, lying face down, which we're working on the back. And I'm just using the other palm to do circles on the glute or sacral area. Oh yeah, I want to do those rocking movements. Push into the bed. Oh yeah. Now I'm using my thumbs to work on the lower or smaller of the back. That's right. Get that thoracolumbar fascia, which is so super tight, like eating ribs. If you don't peel that skin, how's the seasoning going to stick to those ribs? So that's that thick thoracolumbar fascia, that white tissue, just like you're peeling ribs back. If you're a cooker or smoker, you know what I'm talking about. You better take that film off, because if you don't, the seasoning just drips right off and you don't really have a taste. Like, come on now. But anyway, we are now taking a knee, because I think my back was hurting. I'm not going to lie. And we're squatting. I need to lose some weight. Jesus. COVID has been good to me. You can tell. And right now we're actually talking about an incident at the Hibachi Steakhouse, celebrating somebody's birthday. And we see these guys not treating their women right. And those women were fine. Don't get me wrong. Good God, they were fine. Jesus. Help me. Just thinking about it makes me mad. But anyway, they came in and they just had sunglasses on, and texting all on their phone. I'm like, you got these 4 fine ass girls. Like, what the? Today's generation, I don't know. Maybe it's not this generation. Maybe it's just men, period, nowadays. They rather play video games than play with the woman. I don't get it. That's crazy. You'll play mind games all day, but damn, I'm talking about really play. Get them fingers down there. Anyway, at the Hibachi Steakhouse, what we're talking about right now in the video, in case people are wondering, like, why are you talking while you're supposed to be educating us on this video? Well, we're having a good time. Sometimes you have to let your partner know that you are listening and you agree with them, and just move on. You can offer suggestions, but don't be trying to solve all the world's riddles and puzzles, because that shit's just crazy. But we were just mad about the guys in the restaurant disrespecting their women. They were fine, titties popping out and everything. Good God, man. That one woman's feet was like perfect. She could be a shoe model. I'm like, good God, what she got on? Are those Jimmy Choos or something? Like, I don't even know shoe names, but damn, that woman's toe. Good God, what you could do. So those guys, they were acting crazy, and that's all we're talking about in the video. We're working the leg. Let me stop yapping. And we're just laughing about how hard it is in this world for a woman to succeed in the relationship game, because dudes are just on another, I don't know, dimension, not even on a level. They're in the 4th or 9th dimension. I don't even know. So we're working the gluteus maximus minimus medius right now. Oh yeah, working that IT band. Oh yes, get it. Oh, I had to stand up, take a break. We move right on into the shoulders. When your back starts hurting or your knees, don't get me wrong, my carpet seems like it's nice, but trust me, it's not. It's thin. So we are now working back on shoulders, because now I can stand up, get some relief. Oh yeah, stretch those legs out. So now I'm working on her back again, the middle of the back with the thumbs. And we're still explaining and laughing how hard it is for a woman to... I always knew women had it hard, but now that I see my eyes are wide open, y'all have it double tough. It's double, if not triple tough, to get the man to act right these days. Man, good God. I thought I was a piece of work, but after seeing what I saw and seeing what y'all deal with today, like, good grief. But that shit don't happen to me, though. I got my mind right now. No, God has my full and undivided attention. Whoever he or she is, oh yeah, I pay attention now. Like, Lord, no, I treat the women with respect. Come on now. You can see in my videos how gentle I can be. Firm, I can be rough, I can be woof, whatever you want, but it's always going to boil down to respect. And make sure you give a good scalp massage. Release so much tension in the headache and neck area, shoulders. Oh, the circle is now complete. Let me tell you, I'm just a simple man trying to make his way in the universe. It's just that simple. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. because it's just different people. The East Coast is hard. It's rough living here.
Yeah.
It's like people have attitudes. It's everybody's offering themselves or cheating left and right. And don't get me wrong, West Coast cheats too, but I just think people are more happier. You're not alone when it comes to that. Trust me. I'm like, okay, do I need to go to Seattle, Washington? Do I need to migrate to? And sometimes you have to. It doesn't matter.
Round 2.